Take a look, Ashton.
What it do? It's your boy Sica. I'm with the homie DJ Movie. My boy Ononymous, Kartellem, gang, play haters worldwide. You already know the vibes. Check it. Baby mama told me I'm prideful. Or maybe a little, because it's all I have. I document my life through songs, I treat it as my Bible. What you expect from a product of misunderstanding? Pops and moms never lasted like you and I was. I done lost a couple friends that I thought was family, but you know the game, it's survival of the fittest. This conscious shit ain't stacking bills. It's like I sold my soul to get your ears, leaving the real me feeling hollow. Nobody know me like I do. I flip my pages, nothing new, yeah. Little boy and his tunes. I tie my lace cause it's another mile to take these shoes. Know the stories, all the downfall and the glories. Just one of million nights I contemplate and end up snoring. Yes, it kinda bores me, but oh well. This shit is never mine to tell, cause you judge a book by looking at it like it don't got tales to tell. Maybe you could say that I've been going through a lot. Couldn't keep count of the sheeps, always end up dreaming alive. But these dreams got its consequences, say no lie. But who am I to question blessings, man? Who could decide? I may have lost my heart, but not my soul. In the process, reminiscing to the days when all I had was empty pockets, broken drawers, few clothes in my closet. Optimistic to the point this shit is bigger than where I live. Always pictured myself sipping champagne in the tropics. Pretty bitches in the cockpit. They told me don't get lost in the sauce. I ended up staring the saute, riding 40 in a suicidal highway. Live fast, die young. If you wanna be somebody with a life, but you ain't never see me bitching out. Pops taught me make that bitch wet, better lick it out. I pick myself from where I dropped it, cause I wouldn't be the man that I am without encounters. These fears, these lyrics, the ink in my pen tell the things I've experienced. My mind, my soul, all the things I wanna be. As I look in the mirror, a father, a mother, a good role model. But I always keep my horns just to keep myself reminded that you can't fuck with me, bitch, and you don't want no problem. The lies, the truths, what it means to be alive, that we were meant to be broken so that the light could get inside, yeah. Once again, it's your boy Sica, you already know. Next track. Let me light this shit real quick, yeah. I think I finally made it, yeah. You win some, you lose some on every different stage, and every page ain't the same like these past relations, yeah. I ain't talking women, got respect for exes. Shouts out to the fans and the bros that keep the texts. I got love for my haters, know they blessings in my one true love. Daddy got you, know he reckless, but I ain't perfect, I'm just human. Ain't regret shit, I just play this life with humor. And I don't even expect you to understand, but that's life, you gotta learn to cry before you fucking stand. That's what grandma always told me. Keep your head up, young man, know you always got your family. And I've been a bad kid, you know I'm never petty, but I'd lay my life for you like throwing pennies on a wishing well. I hope you're doing well. Sorry I'm never coming home, but if I do, just know I got stories to tell. Never had no one could feel if I could figure, so go figure why I don't. Got a lot of time to even spare. Time is gold, may these moments stay forever. Died and growing too fast, that he got you through whatever. And I know we could have been better, but I was weak and I could have been better. But I'll make it up to you, never wanna be my pops. Life is never pick and choose, but I give you all I got. And I may have been a fool to these hoes and these lights, but I always pick you over stepping stages. And I could, little angel, you're heaven sent. The day I held you in my arms will forever be my treasure, yeah. But that's a whole nother story. Daddy loves you through whatever, don't you worry. You don't have to cry, hold you closer. I got you, won't you lay on my shoulder? I'm here, you don't have to be my pretty little thing. Go spread your wings and fly. Go spread your wings and fly. It's my favorite track, by the way. Daddy. Last track. I'm with the homie Ononymous on this one. Let's get it.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Fuck with you most, fuck with you. I don't fuck with you most. God. Check it, check it, check it. Lil G stuck in the basement. Know a lot of people gon' kill for the spot in the place. Different faces might need a vacation. But the gang got me running like I fucked my probation. Heart still chilly, I don't need no relation. Bond to a king, better know that I claim it. Yeah, I'm Asian. Only homies the pen and the pair, that's what I call salvation. I don't need your invitation. I'm sick, so I'm laying impatient. I'm lighting my L, I don't need a rotation. I ain't that gem in the pavement. Mine a little bit complex. My reflection beginning to be a monument. Everywhere like global continents. You don't know my struggle, what I did and what it costed. You got the old folks, you got the clicks, you got the psychedelics, never miss. Not to mention that Bauer, the Verde and dopes. Respect to you most, but it's about time that they pass me the no lie, no vindication. All my life I've been waiting. I know you know a lot of motherfuckers from the jump, but better know that the kids no imitation. Fuck what they tell me, fuck what they told. Goddamn, fuck what they tell, I don't fuck with you most. Circles my they the pennies, I never put out trash cause my penny wise.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what they told.
Goddamn, fuck what they tell, I don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I never put out trash cause my penny wise.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what they told.
Goddamn,
fuck what you tell
I
me.
don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I panoramic, man, the vision.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what they told.
Goddamn,
fuck what you tell
I
me.
don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I panoramic, man, the vision.
Fuck the people up, fucking know what's up. Fuck the homies that never flipped you up. Fuck a person who keeps you down a lot. Fuck a friend who use you for what you got. New generation always be cynical. Be shot on my way before we get physical. Lyrically beat, leaving you in a critical condition. Oh, I hope I got your permission. Now listen, not everything's about competition. Striving so hard, hope you got recognition. Believe in your lies, putting your intuition. Did that to yourself. Stop playing the victim. I don't mean to escalate this, but I wanna keep you that frustrated. Stitch and live with a hypocrite bitch. Now that's what you get when you talk shit, baby. All my life I've been raising against time. I patiently wait for the reason that I've been living, and I almost gave my soul to save all the hours I'm currently with. It's the cause of my devastation that I gave you this information. So gotta be hasting. Fuck what they tell me, fuck what you told.
Goddamn,
fuck what you tell me.
I don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I panoramic, man, the vision.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what you told.
Goddamn,
fuck what you tell me,
I don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I never put out trash cause my penny wise.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what you told. Fuck what they tell me,
I don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I never put out trash cause my penny wise.
Fuck what you tell me, fuck what you told. Fuck what you tell me,
I don't fuck with you most. Circle smaller than the pennies, I panoramic, man, the vision wide. Once again, it's your boy Sica. I'm with the homie Ononymous, DJ Moe, Kartellem, gang, y'all already know the vibes.
Player haters, player haters. Thanks for Bedroomusic inviting us here.
Yes sir, y'all already know.
You know. Stitch and live with a hypocrite bitch. Now that's what you get when you talk shit, baby. All my life I've been raising against time. I patiently wait for the reason that I've been living, and I almost gave my soul to save all the hours I'm currently with.